Welcome to News by Emad channel. Let's get straight to the explanation.
Welcome to this quick video. We will explain how to easily download the Nano Banana app on your iPhone. First, make sure your device is running iOS 13.4 or later, as this is the minimum version required for the app to run efficiently. We will open the software update section to make sure that the iOS operating system is fully up to date. In my case, I have already updated my device to iOS version 26.1. After that, open the App Store and search for the Nano Banana application or similar apps that support this technology, such as Nano Banana. Simply press the download or get button on your device and then tap twice to continue. After opening the app, you can start using it to edit photos and videos thanks to advanced artificial intelligence technologies. These steps are very simple and do not require any complicated settings. If you like the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive all the latest updates. Thank you all.